During this time of the year, usually towns are busy since people are excited of the New Year's Eve. People usually are crowded and moving up and down buying fireworks. Due to the heavy rains that started last night, it has made the situation in Manzini town not to be busy because most people could not travel from their local communities to Manzini town since rivers were full. The situation in Manzini town is not very busy as compared to the previous years, and it is seen that the rains have also contributed into the situation. At Manzini bus rank, it is not very busy and shops are not having long queues as compared to previous years. Even fireworks are not being bought that much, or it is because it was said that people without permits will not be allowed to use fireworks. Even from the travel circles where buses and kumbis depart from Manzini town, long queues of cars and buses are seen moving up and down. Reporting for Channel ya Maswati, I am Mpilo Dlamini and Nonhlanhla Twala in Manzini.